Hi everyone. Hope you are doing good today. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. So today I am going to install and configure Rufus. So basically, this is a tool which used to create a bootable USB drive. A new version has launched recently, which has brought lot of features. So we will explore that. So this will be a short video. So let's download it. So these are the this is this site rufus.eie.en. Okay, here you can come and click on download. So you'll come over here on this section. So these are the different options to download. So I'll download this one, standard 64-bit. Okay, so I'll go download. Okay, so this is downloaded. So I have already plugged in 16 GB pen drive. Do you want to allow Rufus to check application upload? Yes. Okay, let's minimize this now. Okay. So it has recognized 16 GB now, and disk ISO image I'll select. Sorry, not download, cancel. Wait. Okay, fine. So select and select. Okay, so I already have Windows ISO, so I'll try to create Windows uh, bootable Windows with it. Okay, so these are the ISO I have already have. So Windows 11 24 H2, Windows 11 24 H2 International. Okay, so let's create this one. So this is around 5 GB. So any one of this I can create. So these are different versions on of Windows I have downloaded. So latest is like 2026. Okay. So we have selected the ISO standard window installation. Windows to go. This is some other option. So GPT is fine. MBR is old one. UEFI, this is fine. And this you can Windows 11 setup. Okay. Fine. And okay, so some other options are file system will be NTFS. It will format the pen drive with NTFS format, and these things let it default. Application language, there should be show application settings. Okay, fine. There was okay, fine. So there are some options which I wanted to highlight. So give me 2 minutes. I'll find those. Meanwhile, I'll pause the video. Okay. Okay, so we have selected. We were getting some issue with the image which we had selected. So I selected a new ISO image which is like Windows 11 25H2 ISO, and this is working fine. These are the default option I have selected. Quick format, it will quick format and check device or bad blocks. If you want, you can enable this. So before writing and doing things, it will check for the bad blocks and sector on the USB drive. So I am skipping this just for now. So any options you want, you can select over here. So let's start this. So these are the new options that are coming with the new Rufus. So remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM. So if you enable this, this will remove the this like compulsion of having this configuration for a system to install. You can install it in on any system. After that, remove requirement for online Microsoft account. So it will not force you to sign in at the first boot process, and you should not, like, if you don't have Microsoft account also, that then also it will work. Create a local account with the username. It will automatically create a username. Okay, so a local account with username, and it will log in the first time. Set regional options to some value. Okay, these are some option regional option to the same. Okay, So regional options will be according to the location of user. Disable the data collection. Skip privacy questions. So data collection will be disabled. Disable BitLocker automatically device encryption. So encryption default encryption will be disabled. But if you need encryption on your device, you can enable this. Anyhow you can decrypt like encrypt it later. So and QoL improvement, don't force Copilot and these services to install and start. So most of these are these services will automatically it will not install automatically, so this is good option. So you can select it, and if you want these to be installed, you can disable it. So these are the some new options. Okay. And this option is a bit risky. If you want, you can have it. So basically it will silently erase disk and install. So first disk will be erased and Windows 11 Pro will be installed automatically without your intervention. But I am disabling it because it it may I have many partition, and if it many partition on my disk. So if this something happens, my I may lose the data. So I am disabling this. So these are the default options. You can select other options. You can so there are other three options you can check. Okay, so these three four things are very good options. They have added it. So let's create the bootable USB. Okay, so warning: all data on the device, no level disk 416 GB will be destroyed. To continue with operation, click OK. So okay, so it will format and destroy all the data on the disk. So it's fine. Okay. So deleting party. So it's performing operation. So basically, I'll to save the time, I'll stop the recording here and I'll come back once the USB drive is created. Yeah. So just for your information, actually there was issue. I was facing issue because of my antivirus. It was not letting me write to the USB drive. For that, I had to disable it for some time. So I was using Quick Heal. It's good and good antivirus. So I had to disable first. I disabled these all protections, all this, but still it was not working. So I had to go to this and secure external drive, and here I had to disable it. So after that, it is writing. Before that, it gave me error two three times. So I disabled it for now, and after this USB is created, I'll enable it again because you should always have your antivirus enabled. I know that this is not going to cause anything for to my system, so I have disabled it. So they see these are the files it is in creating and writing. So it's still writing. So it's taken around 2 GB for now and still copying. So 18% of data is copying. So I'll stop it now. Let's once this is done, I'll start again. So currently it has taken, so out of 14.3 GB, 12 around 2 GB space free, 7 GB. Okay, so it has taken around 7 GB. If you can see, select all property. So it has taken around 7 GB. So that was exactly the size of the ISO file. So what I'll do, I'll try to reboot it in VMC. So you can boot your system with this, and so the options, what all options we have selected, you can. So your system will be configured using that. So